Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Barge owners delegation seeks Sharad Pawar's intervention in resolving Goan mining crisis. Meet Pawar and submit a memorandum. Appeal to raise issue before Prime Minister. Illegal kiosk demolition drive in Panji, 46 on the card, 40 raised till now. CCP mayor says no rehabilitation plan for displaced Gadekars, no space in the new market. Another rumbler for mining within 10 kilometers of buffer zone from Wildlife Sanctuary. Miners should get clearance from Standing Committee of National Board of Wildlife. State orphanages run by Providoria in bad shape. Living conditions miserable. NGO knocks the doors of Archbishop. And Pudari and Electronic Media enters finals of Inter-Media Cricket Tournament. Now the news in detail. Goan barge owners are now seeking intervention of union leader Sharad Pawar to resolve the mining ban crisis. A delegation of state barge owners met Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar on Friday and pleaded for his intervention at union level to convey the crisis situation in the state. President Atul Jadhav informed Prudent that Pawar has assured to apprise the PM Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Goa Barge Owners Association met Union Minister for Agriculture Sharad Pawar at Hadfade in North Goa on Friday. They have requested Sharad Pawar to place the grievances faced by the mining-dependent people before Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
We wanted him to take up this matter with the Finance Ministry because he is also part of the central, central government. So since he is part of that, we wanted him to take this issue with the Finance Ministry also to restructure our loans, because once restructuring has been done, ekda dala restructuring, second time also restructuring it is required. So that is what we wanted to explain to him, and even this matter has to be taken up to with the Ministry of Environment and Forest. He has told us to make a detailed note on all these points, because we had given other points, but he told us to add other details he has asked as to how the export had increased and how it has suffered now. So if this can be projected, then he says these points he can take up as with the Prime Minister. So which we feel that we are hoping that he takes up this matter and sorts out these issues. Said that yes, he will make efforts to see that the Reserve Bank, etc., and the Ministry of Finance takes some corrective steps on this issue.
Committee constituted to solve barge owners' grievances passed few resolutions in its meeting on Friday.
जे आमची कमिटी केल्ली आसा मायनिंग जे डिपेंडंट आसा तांच्या खातीर कमिटी केल्ली मिस्टर मिलिंद नायक चेअरमॅन आसात तांच्या अंडर आजच आमची मिटींग जाल्या आनी म्हाका दिसता की फाल्यां ह्या 2-3 दिसां भितर थोडोसो 75,000 माल जो आसा तो हांगा कॅरी करपाचो आसा आनी तेच्या संदर्भात आमचो जो बार्ज टॅक्स आसा तो सद्या गोंयच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान आमकां बार्ज टॅक्स आसा तो तुमकां बार्ज टॅक्स माफ करपाक शकता आमी हे एक पॅकेज आनंदाची गजाल जावन आसा अशा प्रकारचे एश्युरन्स दिल्ले आसा.
A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Corporation of City of Panji has removed 40 illegal kiosks from the Panji city area till now. There are 46 on the list. This drive has immediately debarred 40 families from their livelihood. More worse is yet to come, as the city mayor Vaidehi Naik has made it clear that no rehabilitation program for these kiosk owners is on the card, at least in near future. A report.
To make Panji city congestion free for traffic and pedestrians, Corporation of the City of Panji has removed 40 kiosks from the city area. But this action has immediately affected livelihood of 40 families who were earning their bread and butter from kiosks. In total, there were 46 illegal kiosks on the list. 40 have been removed and remaining 6 kiosk owners have been directed to clear off the encroached area immediately.
The majority असे fully dependent असतात ते गाड्याचेर की तांची उपजीविका म्हणून गाड्यांचेर ते अवलंबून असतात आणि ताका लागून तांकां खूप त्रास जावं शकता म्हणून पुनर्वसनाची इमिजिएट तांकां पुनर्वसन करपाची गरज आसा.
Vaidehi Naik said that the NGO has shown readiness to help these families, but when questioned about the possibility of relocating the kiosk business to any other place, Mayor said there is no scope in the municipal market.
तांचे खातीर NGO फुडें आयिल्ले आसात आणि तांणी म्हाका सांगलां की तांचे कडल्यान सगळ्यां कडल्यान डिटेल घेयात आणि तांचे भुरगे बाळांचे शिक्षणाची तरी जबाबदारी आमी घेतात अशें म्हणून म्हाका खूब जाणांनी कॉन्टॅक्ट केल्लो आसा. त्या प्रमाणे आता सगळ्यांचे आमी डिटेल घेतले आणि फुडले जे प्लॅन आसात की तांकां खंय एकोमोडेट करचे कित्याक रायट नाव आमकां मार्केटान तांकां आमी एडजस्ट करूं शकना कित्याक मार्केटाचो पयलींच सगळो गोंधळ आसा.
With video journalist Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Mining within 10 kilometers of buffer zone from wildlife sanctuary will have to cross lot more roadblocks. In case a mining project is located within 10 kilometers from a wildlife sanctuary or national park, environmental clearance should be sought from the Standing Committee of the National Board of Wildlife. Union Ministry of Environment and Forests has made it clear in a fresh affidavit before the Supreme Court. Here is a report.
The state is looking at a smaller buffer zone, given that most mines will fall within that zone. The affidavit filed by the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest also submits that the project proposal for environment clearance involving forest land is appraised parallel for both environmental clearance and forest clearances. MOEF affidavit argues that it has advertised in 24 national and regional papers in reference to the Supreme Court order, but clarified in an office memorandum that clearances from forest and wildlife angles, if it involves forest land and wildlife habitat, will not be linked as these clearances are independent of each other and would in any way need to be obtained as applicable to such projects before starting any activity at the site. The onus is on the miner to submit an application and obtain wildlife clearance under the Wildlife Protection Act 1973. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.